This one's a dirty boy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're having a great Thursday. Hope your week is going great, guys. Today it's another review for a sneaker. It's another assist alley-oop time. I can't believe I got 7 assists in 1 week. This is great. This is awesome. All retail pairs. And on this note, guys, let's go check this sneaker out because this is a dirty boy. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope your Thursday is going great, guys. Hope you're all looking forward to the weekend because the weekend is really close now. And also on top of that, make sure you're looking after yourself both mentally and physically, and you're pushing those barriers, pushing those boundaries, trying to hit those goals for the year and your life goals, and making sure you're making your life a bit more better than it is at this moment in time, because improvement in the small magnitude is still really good. And also, if you need to reach out because cost of living is going up, because everything's going up in terms of the relativity of sneakers, and also on top of that, if you are struggling, please do reach out. I'm always here for a conversation. I'm always here to help you guys, to pep you up and make sure you're back on track, guys. And on that note, please do check out the Shoe Dog podcast with me and the bro 808 Kicks ATO. Go in, talk about sneaker behavior, talk about sneaker strategy, and talk about basically picking up sneakers in general, and sneaker news and sneaker information. That's what it's about, guys. Making sure we break it down, making sure we talk about it, and making sure we discuss what this might mean for all of the sneakerheads out there. And also, we always take bad sneaker behavior to sneaker court of public opinion. And on that note, guys, like I always say, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down. Let's pick up all these amazing sneakers for retail or close to retail as possible, because sometimes you got to strategize to get the sneakers you want. And on this note, guys, this is another alley-oop, this is another pickup, this is another amazing sneaker, this is another remix of the Air Max 1. It is, hey presto shebang, the Air Max 1 Dirty Denim. So as you can see from the B-roll, guys, this is the Air Max 1 Dirty Denim, and as you can see, this is a bit of a remix to the 2003 pair, but we break down the sneaker in the actual sneaker when we look at it. But before we do that, we're gonna have a quick look at the box, and I'm gonna reach over here and pick up the box and say, hey, presto, shebang. And as you can see, this is the red box with the white Nike and the swoosh. This is a regular Air Max 1 box, nothing special with this, but it still is the Air Max 1 red regular box, as you can see, bang. And also on the bottom, affiliation with Nike is stated at the bottom. And on the code itself, this is not my pair, this is an assist. This is a UK 8, US 9, and a EU 42.5. There you go, guys. That's what the size is. This is the Air Max 1. And remember, this is premium. This is the premium variation of the Dirty Denim. So it's going to be a bit different. We're going to actually have a look at the sneaker properly. But the code on this is DV3050300. That's what the code should be. That's what the code should look like. If it's not like that, question your pair, guys. If it's not like that, make sure you go and kind of source where it came from and make sure it's legit. But this is what the box looks like. This is what the box is. And inside, we get this normal regular tissue paper, as you can see. Like always, we're gonna remove this. You've got a label there, that white and mint label, and also on top of this it says QC6OK. As you can see, the little sticker there, little label there. I still need to work out what this means, because I'm gonna actually have to do a bit of a breakdown of what each code means. I will look it up, leave that with me, guys. But on top of that, also on that, you can see that there's a little stamp there. This is like a Jordan 1 stamp that you normally get. But that's the box, guys. That's what it looks like. That's how it should be. That's how it should come. Now, let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shebang, and as you can see, this is the Air Max 1 Dirty Denim. What a beautiful sneaker, and this is the remix from the 2003 pair that actually released the cult classic Dirty Denim. Basically, it is based on that 2003 pair, and basically, as you can see, this is the remixed version, because if you know the original pair's actual suede on the toe, this was actually grey all the way through. It had a lighter Dirty Denim variation to this, but also, as you can see, there's so many differences to this. The swoosh is different, the actual sneaker in itself is different. It didn't have this yellow midsole, it didn't have, basically, this is the premium customizable variation of the Dirty Denim. This is what it's been based on, this is what it's actually been produced for. But this is a gorgeous sneaker. All of this fits together really well to make this sneaker look special, to make this sneaker look very different from the original variation. This is basically a designed Air Max variation for the 35th anniversary to introduce to the newer generations this premium variation of that Dirty Denim from 2003. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful variation of that 2003 pair. I'm going to stick the 2003 pair up there for you guys to show you guys what the differences are. And as you can see, initially you can see the grey variation on that actual front paneling there is different, and it's just premium suede on this. It's actually like a light bluey denimy looking premium suede rather than that grey. It's that premium suede, like almost looks like an in between a teal UNC kind of color, and as you can see, very denimy look to it, and as you can see, this is all premium suede on this, so you can de-stress it, you can dye it, you can do whatever you want to it. And this is what the actual sneaker represents at this moment in time. You can actually have this vintage looking sneaker and de-stress it, dye it, do anything to it, make it look authentic, make it look worn down, make it look naturally, or process wise, just go in and do your thing. And this yellow midsole that's mounted on is absolutely beautiful. This is more, if you know the Air Max 1 Travis Scott satin golds, this is basically what the actual midsole looks like. It's more of that yellowy satiny color from that actual Air Max, but is a great colorway. And the denim hits the top uppers of this, as you can see, from the eyelets into the back panel with that Nike Air on the back. Absolutely gorgeous booty action there with the Nike Air on the back, and that tick, rather than being that grey tick, it is this absolutely blue navy tick that basically hits the lateral medial side and actually showcases the absolute brilliant swoosh on this Nike Air Max 1. And as you can see, everything else is similar, with that lining being that navy blue, and also inside you see the Nike Air with a swoosh. We're all in white, guys, all in white. This is a gorgeous sneaker, absolutely beautiful variation of the sneaker. I like this sneaker. If I was an Air Max guy, I would definitely get this for myself. And as you can see, guys, this is actually just a regular Air Max 1 insole with that actual sole on the bottom of that insole, as you can see. And obviously, even the insole is this like more of this premiumish suede. That's a really good touch to the sneaker, actually. Very good. Like that navy blue still hits that, and that white Nike Air in the insole. And also, guys, white laces on this suit this really well. You can de-stress it, and everything about this sneaker is screaming, customize me. I want you to wear me, I want you to run me down. Not on the literal sense, but it is so good. Even the white stitching on this actually looks gorgeous. That is absolutely beautiful. This sneaker is absolutely gorgeous, I'm gonna keep saying this because it's beautiful. And obviously, with that light yellowy midsole, is mounted on this brown, almost gum-like midsole, but what you can see on that actual sole is the sprinkles of some of that light denimy freckles, almost like speckles or freckles on this. And as you can see, I'm going to showcase it to you guys. It looks so unique, so different, so beautiful pair. And you can see the original had this navy blue sole, but this is the outsole is actually brown this time. So many differences. The outsole is different, the midsole is different, the swoosh is different, the premium suede, and this being more of a premium sneaker is different. Like even that wrap around on that sole was grey, the swoosh is grey. A lot of differences with this actual Dirty Denim to the originals. As you can see, I'm still left that picture up. A lot of differences to the original, but this is such a unique pair. What a way to introduce the Air Max 1 Dirty Denims to the new generation by letting you guys have a premium variation of that cult classic, and also letting you guys run through it, de-stress it, dye it, because this is why they've given you less of that grey and more of that blue, because they want you to de-stress it, they want you to run through it, they want you to dye it, they want you to have your freedom of expression, they want you to convert this into your own concept design. Those Air Max 1 concepts with all those different denim, different materials, different panels, different paisleys, prints and all of this on it, they want you to do this to this, but in your own unique touch. And this is what makes this sneaker really special. Love it, absolutely love it. And as you can see, that denim runs through on that tongue into that blue Air Max on the tongue, and that white swoosh Nike Air on it, guys. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. And on the eyelets at the top, that yellow de-stressed look hits those eyelets at the top. Beautiful sneaker, absolutely gorgeous, absolutely amazing. And gotta always sniff your sneakers. Not my sneakers, but I'm always gonna sniff the pro sneakers. Also, what's different with this sneaker is the stitching. As you can see, the stitching is different, and you can see the blue stitching kind of wraps around the back. It's a bit different to the white stitching, and that's a bit contrary to what was on the original 2003 pair. But this is such a beautiful sneaker, absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait for people to run through this sneaker, to de-stress this sneaker, to dye this sneaker, to make it their own, because it's always really nice to see a one-on-one pair of anything, to be honest. But this is a great sneaker. And on that, guys, I'm going to give you that front perspective, I'm going to give you that back action, booty action, Nike Air on the back perspective, that lateral side, that medial side, and that absolutely gorgeous outsole, guys. Bang! And this is a 360-degree rotation. Make sure you have it on your feet, make sure you rock the streets, and make sure you're bringing all of that heat. So bang, bang, and bang. Absolutely gorgeous. This is another beautiful pair. This actually sold out, and basically you can actually still pick it up from the stores. I actually saw this sitting in store, so if you want this pair, it's probably still around to pick up in store, but it's all sold out online, as you normally find with most of the releases. If it sells out online, don't worry, guys, go to the retail. I don't know what the resale is doing, don't care what the resale is doing, but it's just a gorgeous sneaker. And if you want the original variation, that is going for actually stupid amount of money. So this is a new take, new look, remixed for the 35th anniversary, like the crepe hemp. This is different. This is a new variation, remixed variation of a cult classic. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go, guys. This is the denim Air Max 1 Dirty Denim, guys. Dirty Denim on deck. So that's going to the bro. He's gonna go pick it up. I'm gonna send it off to him as soon as the review's done, because he's waiting to get this on feet. It's a beautiful pair. So on that note, guys, thank you for tuning in, thank you for joining through, thank you for coming through all the time and showing love and support. I know I keep producing reviews. I need to do some custom, guys, so I will do some customs in a bit. But on that note, like I say at the end of the channel, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you all deserve to pick up the sneakers you want. For me, TJ at Love Kick Customs, peace out for now, guys, and peace.